Welcome to Ada Computer Science. This is a quick demonstration of what the platform offers for both teachers and students. Ada brings together a wide range of resources into one place, including learning content, self-marking questions, and practical projects. From the home page, you can explore as a teacher or a student to access support, tools, and guidance. At the heart of Ada CS are its resources. Topics are organised into key categories of computer science, making it easy to navigate the curriculum. Each topic begins with a clear explanation, often including a video, and then it is broken down into smaller concepts. Within each concept, you will find clear explanations, visuals, and often try it yourself questions to check understanding. You will notice that content is also labelled as core or advanced, helping students and teachers identify what's needed for different levels. For example, core content aligns with GCSE, while advanced content aligns with A-level study. One of the most powerful features of Ada CS is its question bank. There are over 1,000 self-marking questions covering a wide range of topics. Each question provides instant feedback, along with hints to support learning. The first hint links to relevant glossary terms and content on the Ada Computer Science website, while the second offers step-by-step guidance for the particular question on the screen. There is also wrong answer feedback, so if a student picks a wrong answer, they're given some feedback as to why that answer is incorrect. And when they choose the correct answer, they're given a nice message. Related questions can be accessed at the bottom of each topic page, as well as via the questions page up here, which gives you filters so that you can search and filter by exam boards or particular topics to give you the questions that apply to that. Ada CS also includes a range of projects. These include full life cycle projects, which guide students through analysis, design, implementation, testing, and evaluation, as well as shorter mini projects that can be completed in just a few hours. These projects are grouped into database projects, programming projects, and web development projects. On Ada CS, there are a range of other resources as well, including a searchable glossary where a student can type in a term and they are given an appropriate definition, making it useful for revision. There are also exam board specifications, which we have mapped to content within Ada Computer Science, so teachers and students can find the relevant content easily. By creating a free account, students can track their progress and personalise their experience. Ada Computer Science provides a structured, interactive way to learn and practice computer science. Whether you're teaching or studying, it is a powerful resource to support your progress.